Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot receive calls in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting. Scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, click on do not disturb and turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix cannot receive calls in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.